Today's show is for dreamers only. Let me see the hands of all the dreamers out there. Raise them up. Yeah, because today we're going to give you something magic. Something magic that'll help your dream come true.
Baby, I know you're asking me to stay. Say please, please, please don't go away. You see I'm giving you the blues. Oh, but I need some time off from that emotion.
Time to get my heart back off the floor.
Oh, when that love comes down without devotion. Well, it takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing you the door. I gotta have faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith. I gotta have faith, faith, faith. Maybe. Oh, you mean every word you say. Can't help but think of yesterday. And a lover who tied me down to a lover boy rules. Before this river becomes an ocean.
Before you throw my heart back on the floor.
Oh, baby, I'll reconsider my foolish notion. It takes a strong man, baby, but I'm showing you the door. Gotta have faith, faith, faith. I gotta have faith. I wanna have faith, faith, faith.
You know, I know just what George Michael meant when he wrote that song, Faith, because I believe in faith. I had my brush with destiny before, and I know what having faith is all about. It happened one night when I was just a little chimp. It was storming and raining outside, and I had made kind of a tent out of the covers, and I was up in there eating some banana pudding with my multi-purpose flashlight so I could see. And all of a sudden, a voice of destiny came in my room and spoke to me. It said, "Fats." And I said, "Huh?" And it said,
Fats, you better not be eating any pudding under there and get in that kitchen and take out that guy before I tell your daddy.
and then the voice of destiny commenced to whooping on me with a spatula. Kissing like a bandit, stealing time underneath the sycamore tree. Cupid by the hour since Valentine to my sweet lover and me. Slowly but surely, your appetite is more than I knew. Sweetly, softly, I'm falling in love with you. Wish me love, a wishing well, kiss and tell, a wishing well, a butterfly tear. Wish me love, a wishing well, kiss and tell, a wishing well, a crocodile tear. On the beat, y'all.
Get down and get the bunker boys.
Hugging like a monkey see, a monkey do, right beside a riverboat gambler. Quickly, but quickly, the blood races through my veins. Quickly, loudly, hey, I wanna hear the sugar bell ring. They all sing now. Wish me love, a wishing well, kiss and tell, a wishing well, a crocodile tears. On the beat, y'all. Darren, what you wishing about, Mitzi?
Well, cars, cash, boys, and clothes and stuff like that.
Oh, that's real nice.
Well, that all sounds real good, but you know, you can make wishes for other people.
Yeah, like I wish my grandma's corns would get better.
I got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. It's gonna take time, a whole lot of precious time. It's gonna take patience and time. Oh, to do it, 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 to do it right. I've got my mind set on you. 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 This time I know it's for real. my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you. I've got my mind set on you.
You know, folks, there's no doubt Michael Jackson's had a lot of faith in himself because he's achieved all his dreams and goals and helped a lot of other people along the way.
Yeah, like that little chimpanzee Bubble. I think congratulations in order because Bubble successfully embezzled $150,000 right out of Michael Jackson's bank account.
As he came to the window with the sound of a crescendo, he came into her apartment, left bloodstains on the carpet. She went underneath the table, he could see she wasn't able. So she ran to the bedroom, she was struck down, it was her doom. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Will you dance? Are you okay? Then the sound of the window that he stuck to a crescendo, Annie. He came into your apartment, left the bloodstains on the carpet. Then he ran into the bedroom, you were struck down, it was your doom. Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. She ran going through the outway, it was Sunday, what a black day. By your mother's invitation, selling heartbeats, intimidations. Are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay, Annie? Annie, are you okay? Will you dance? Are you okay? Then the sound of the window and he stuck to a crescendo, Annie. He came into your apartment and left the bloodstains on the carpet. Then you ran into the bedroom, you were struck down, it was your doom. Annie, are you okay? Annie, are you okay? Are you okay? You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth criminal. Annie, are you okay? Will you dance? Are you okay? Then the sound of the window that you stuck to a crescendo, Annie. He came into your apartment, you left the bloodstains on the carpet. Then you ran into the bedroom, you were struck down, you were your doom, Annie. You've been hit by, you've been struck by, you've been hit by a smooth